Hello students, today we are going to see our science lesson number 4, current, electricity and magnetism. Now let us see some activities on page number 26. See the activity first. Take the inside tray of an used up matchbox. Place a small magnetic needle inside the tray. Now take a long connecting wire and wind it around the tray. Now see on in 4.6 magnetic effect of current figure, that one tray is taking and inside it one small magnetic needle keep, okay, and after that one long connecting wire taking and it is wind it around the tray. Now complete the electric circuit. In this circuit, that two cells are arranged and one key is there and one bulb is there, okay. Now see, you should mark the position of magnetic needle. Take a bar magnet near to the magnetic needle. Then when you marking the position of magnetic needle, then what you should do, you should take one bar magnet near to the magnetic needle. Then what do you observe here? Keep looking at the needle and close the plug key. Then after that one, what do you observe? That magnetic needle is moving, okay. Then after that one, you should that close that key. Then after closing the key, the bulb will light up and you will realize that current has started flowing. How you will realize that current will started flowing? Because that bulb will light up. Does the magnetic needle change its position? Yes, it moves to different position, means magnetic needle change its position. Now open the plug key. Does the magnetic needle come back to the original position? What will you conclude from this experiment? See, we have to conclude that magnetic needle is indeed a magnet. Indeed a magnet means what? It is very small magnet, okay. And this magnetic needle changes its direction when a bar magnet is taken near the magnetic field. Yes, it is due to attraction or retraction, okay. Also you have observed that the magnetic needle changes its direction when current start flowing in the circuit. This means that magnetic field is created. Magnetic field is created when an electric current flows in a wire. When we close the plug key, at that time what happened? That electric current flows through that circuit, and due to that electric current flowing, that magnetic field is created and that electric current flows in a wire. See that Hans Christian Ørsted made this observation first. So we can say that when an electric current passes through a wire, a magnetic field is produced around that wire. Okay, it is the conclusion of this activity. Now see the activity second. Take a meter long flexible copper wire having resistive coating. Resistive coating means what? Around this copper wire that plastic coating is there, okay. That one plastic coating means what? That one our general wire. and wind that tightly on a long iron screw. You have to take one long iron screw which are shown on that figure. Which one? That 4.7 electromagnet. Then connect the two ends of the wire in a circuit as shown in the figure 4.7. Also connect an electric cell and a plug key in the circuit. Keep 2 to 4 iron pins, small nails near the screw. Now start the current in the circuit by plugging the key. It will be noticed that pins, small pins, have stuck to the tip of the screw. Will the pins or nails continue to stick when the plug is open? Now see, when the electric current flows in the wire, magnetism is produced in the coil around the screw. Magnetism is produced in the coil around the screw. And because of that, the screw also contains magnetism and attains magnetism, and due to this magnetism, that pins attracted towards that screw. As soon as the current is stopped, when current should be stopped, this magnetism vanish. This magnetism is vanish, means they are also disappear, and the system of coil and the screw is called a electromagnet. So we have to see that various uses of electromagnet in that previous standard, means 6th standard. So electromagnet are used to produce strong magnetic field useful in scientific research. Okay. Now we will discuss our remaining part of the lesson, that electric bell, in our next video. Thank you.